Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Team Definition to take us through the national anthem. Team Definition, where are you? Team Definition. Benga and the crew. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, please stoop. The guests here are not here to see your backs. Please, you need to stoop. Don't block their views. Thank you. At this point, I'd like to invite one of Baba's very dear sons, the former Awardee himself, to come forward and give us an opening remark. Mr. Olushola Ogbonikogo. A round of applause for him, please. Let's encourage him, ladies and gentlemen. We've been dancing since. We're all coming tired now. The vibe here now.
Good evening, everyone. I trust we are all set for tonight's engagement. I want to again welcome you to the palace of His Majesty, the Ooni of Ife. Please put your hands together for yourself. Thank you so much for joining us. To all Awardees and our special guests, we are very happy to have you. I believe we'll establish the protocol as we go on. Like we know, it is a time for young people. Really, the 21st century is not about how things have been done, but it is really about how things should be done. The ideas that we have, all of the thoughts that we have, the change we want to bring to happen in our individual countries, from Nigeria to all the countries around. But while we do that, we know that there will be things that we'll have to face on, the challenges we'll have to deal with. and the new ideas we'll have to birth. And that's why coming together is extremely important. And once again, we are grateful for the leadership and the support that we have received from our father, for bringing us together to collaborate, to share ideas, to think of new ways of doing things. While we acknowledge the weaknesses, the challenges that we are facing, literally in the past few days, but also the opportunities that we have among ourselves to birth the future. So today the conversation is about connecting with one another, learning from the wisdom of our fathers, and thinking of how to re-strategize our own strength as young people, to amplify our voices and birth new ideas that can transform our generation and our continents. We are the trustees of posterity, and I'm certain that we are going to deliver to the next generation a better Africa. If you are together with me, please put your hands together for yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shola. I keep telling people who come around me that, listen, you can't come to Ile-Ife. You cannot come to the palace and your life will remain the same. Please take that with you as we marry today. Once you have the opportunity of setting your eyes on His Majesty, be sure that from then on, positive things are the things you begin to mark and record.